welcome to my vlog. Today I am at one of the Sentosa's beach. Tried of their facial treatment and I loved it. You should, anyone, any girl, any woman who is coming to Singapore from India or anywhere, if you're watching this vlog, you should. I'm not getting paid to say this, so of course this is very genuine experience. After this long of a vacation in Singapore, I had ordered an Indian breakfast in my room today. It's a little bit cloudy outside. It might even rain in Singapore, but anyway, we are going to Sentosa, so it will not affect our schedule for today. Sentosa, with its pristine beaches, exciting attractions, and tropical landscapes, Sentosa is sure to leave you spellbound. Before it was known as Sentosa, this island just off Singapore's southern coast was a British military fortress. After the Japanese occupation in World War II, Singapore returned to British rule and the island was renamed Sentosa, which means peace and tranquility in Malay. Over the course of its remarkable history, Sentosa has transformed into a beloved island resort best known for its tropical beaches, luxurious hotels, and thrilling attractions. Whether you are looking for an adrenaline rush or a day of relaxing in the sun, Sentosa is bound to enchant and delight. Siloso Beach is the island's most bustling stretch and home to various restaurants and attractions. I spent a very amazing time on this beach, but I was very much unhappy with its cleanliness. Today I am at one of the Sentosa's beach named Siloso Beach, and it's such a disappointment. I really did not like the beach because it's kind of dirty. Too many green algae are floating around. I don't think it's a good idea to spend time here. I came here, it's like 30 minutes and I'm going out now. It's like it seems very beautiful from outside, but from inside you cannot really be there because all of the green things will surround you. So I'm quite disappointed. I'll go to my hotel swimming pool instead. Yeah, in comparison to what I have experienced in La Mer, Dubai or JBR Dubai, this is far worse than that. Like La Mer beach is one of the best beach I have seen, and JBR beach is also very nice. They have like many sports and fun activities to do as well. So let's see where I'm going next. Now I am doing luge ride at Sentosa.
Hello. We are going up.
We are going up.
We are going up.
रॉक्स देख के कितना जाए.
Smile for the camera.
मम्मा रील वाली वीडियो.
Captain. I am the captain of this ship. Hello.
Show down. Oh my god. This is more dangerous than that cable car because this is open. Oh my god. No, don't do that.
We are going down. No, we are going down.
एक स्टोरी डालो जाओ. And I witnessed one of the best sunset of my life right here in Sentosa, Singapore. वहाँ से sunset दिखेगा. So today I am going to try $100 facial right here. In this lane there are many spas. You can see E Spa, YK Foot Spa, Mini Spa. Here on this lane only I had tried this spa called Tang Dynasty. Right, I tried their foot spa, like foot massage. There are like many spas in this area. There are like many Chinese food outlets as well. There's one 7-Eleven right there. So but today I am going to try their facial, which is of $100. Okay, so I just had my $100 facial, which was with Chinese technique, and I'm so happy with them. Like the facials that I have had in India is like nothing in front of this facial. I literally enjoyed this, and my skin, look at the glow, look at the natural glow. My god. Thank you. So that is Green Apple behind me, where I took the facial, and look at the glowing skin, man. Good, so good facial. I have had facials in India in like so many places, so many expensive facials, like so many techniques, but their facial was amazing till date. Till date it was amazing. Like I tried their foot massage and back massage, shoulder massage as well. I didn't like the foot massage so much because I have had best experiences in Dubai for the foot massages, but their back massage, shoulder massage and facial, these three are like super awesome, super awesome. I mean, fab job. If you are coming to Singapore, to all the mamas who are coming to Singapore, all the women, you should try a facial right here. It's for $100, and we do spend $100 in so many things, like for clothes, for shoes, for so many things, right? So it's good for your skin as well. You should give, treats to your skin as well. Definitely try. You are all going to love their facial. Amazing. I'm so tired. I have been to Sentosa, I have been to Universal Studios, and I had been like sleeping inside the room. I was like so tired. I did not want to move anywhere. So I was just like, maybe I can just try their facial treatment, and I loved it. You should. Anyone, any girl, any woman who is coming to Singapore from India or anywhere, if you're watching this vlog, you should. I'm not getting paid to say this, so of course this is very genuine experience. Amazing. Hi, so I am leaving Singapore now, and I must tell you something about this airport of Singapore. It is super fast. Like you enter the airport, you just there is all like everything is digital. You need to just scan your passport. They will give your boarding pass right immediately, and then when you enter, you just have to put your just check in bags, like small bags, whatever you carry, you just have to scan that. No need to open your, phone and charger and AirPods and watch and everything to scan on the tray and everything. No need. It's super fast and easy and smooth. Amazing. I am like glad to see this here, and yeah, this is the end of my Singapore trip. So if you liked my vlog, if you liked my video, please support me by liking and subscribing my channel. Comment below if you found something nice or you want to say something to me. See you in my next vlog. Say hi, my people.
Hello. Right here. Hello. We are inside.
ये क्या है मीनू? ये क्या है मीनू?
See you in my next vlog. Bye. Like and comment if you like my video. Subscribe to my channel to support me. See you. Bye.